What we need to do during the treatment of diode laser hair removal.
During the operation, and there are two modes to do the operation. One mode is spots by spots. And with this way, normally, the energy we are setting is a kind of high energy. And the second mode is sliding mode. And sliding mode is for one place, and you may pass by this place for many times. But for each time, the energy is very low, and the customer themselves will feel very soft and comfortable, will not feel too much pain and also hotness. It's like a massage. You need to follow the instruction of your supplier for each area, how long it will take for you to do the sliding mode. When the time is up, you need to take out the gel to check how is the situation of the skin. And you need to see the skin place will have some pimple. The pore of the skin is opening. That means the energy is already enough. So you don't need to keep going. That is how we need to do during the treatment.